Hey guys, today I got a mid-roof fiberglass top by Swiss. It's the S1 model. Burgundy in color. This one's in nice shape. Fits the 99 to 06 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Doesn't have a lot of issues on it. Said it is burgundy or maroon, whatever you want to call it. Paint looks good through the top of the top edge here. Down through here, the paint looks good. Bottom edge looks nice. I don't see any damage at all. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. Because of the height of these, they tend to get stone chips up here, and this one's no different. It does have road debris, stone chips up here. It's because they stick up so high. A little bit of chip right there. Bottom edge looks good in the front. This guy side's got a couple chips, one right there and one right there, and a little bit of a bug or something there. Looks good through here. No damage on the top edge on this side. Got one small little stress crack right there. Doesn't really make it any difference there. Bottom edge looks good on this side as well. Half side sliders on this side. Double T-handle locking rear door. A little bit of a chip right there. Looks like they got a little bit of silicone right there. I'm not sure what the purpose of that was. Maybe it leaked. Probably not, but it might have. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens are in good shape on this side. No holes in the screens. There's a serial number. Screen looks good on this side. I don't see any holes in the screen on this side either. Looks like a couple sticks and twigs in there, but there it is. Got a mid-roof design fiberglass top by Swiss. It's the S1 model. Fits the 1999 to 2006 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see what location it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. Also, it's going to link to our website in general, so it's just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that. You can click that link, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we can get you taken care of. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain model, cap, style, brand, color, what have you, We upload our used inventory to our website and YouTube as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, we're a local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.